Hello friends, welcome to King Asterisk Technologies channel. Today, we'll walk you through the Avatar Dialer, soundboard, setup in VisiDial. Admin Dashboard. Here is the admin dashboard, where all system details and campaign controls are managed. Real-time report. The real-time report shows live call activity and agent performance instantly. Agent login. This is the agent login screen, where agents securely access the dialer system. Agent dashboard. Inside the agent dashboard, agents manage live calls and customer information. Dialer dashboard. This is the VisiDial dialer dashboard, the main panel to monitor and manage calling campaigns. Admin dashboard. Here is the VisiDial admin dashboard, where all system settings and user configurations are managed. Real-time report. The real-time report in VisiDial gives live tracking of agents, calls, and performance metrics. Agent portal. This is the agent portal, where agents log in to start handling customer calls. Agent call log. The agent call log provides detailed history of all calls made and received by the agent. Live Avatar Dialer in action. Are you looking to set up something like this with multiple campaigns in VisiDial? Yes, we make it happen. At King Asterisk Technology, we develop and configure this solution on your own server, so you can utilize your own carrier without limitations.